Hello, my name is Chris with Riton Optics, and today we're going to be mounting the 3 Tactix MPRD 2 onto the Glock 48 MOS pistol. First, we're going to make sure that we're clear and safe. There's zero ammunition anywhere around me. The magazine's already been removed from this weapon, and the weapon is clear. There's no ammunition inside. We're ready to mount this optic. A couple great things about the MPRD 2. Shake-awake technology, auto brightening and auto dimming, 50,000 hours of battery life, as well as that hard aluminum construction. What we're going to want to do first is take our CR2032 battery, place it in the bottom of the optic, positive side up, that's with all the writing. We're going to have our MPRD2 mounting kit or MPRD mounting kit available right on optics.com. Take the screws out. There's a little cheat sheet here on the front that tells you the size for the Glock MOS system. Take these out. Place our optic right on top of the slide. Make sure we're nice and flush there. I'm going to go ahead and drop in both of these screws and hand tighten. Get them nice and slow. Make sure we're not cross-threading or anything like that. And for today, I'm just going to go ahead and hand tighten these, but we recommend 8-inch pounds on that guy. Awesome, guys, we're all mounted up. My dot is on. We should be ready to go on this Glock 48. Guys, any questions you have, please reach out to us right on optics.com. Any information you'll need to find on the MPRD2 or any of our optics is listed there. Of course, if you have an issue with any of our optics, our warranty's there for you. Reach us at any time, and we'll be able to hook you up, get you something new. Thank you, guys.